Let's say you enter a trade at this level, although it's too late because we received our buy signal over here. So this is just an example. So let me try to enter a trade at this level. Okay, so I've bought at this level. So in this video I'm going to show you the quickest way you can apply stop loss and take profit levels. So if you're wondering like what indicator is this which is giving me buy and sell signals, well, this is the real report. You can check it out, the link will be in the description. Okay, so normally if you'd like to modify the stop loss and the take profit of a trade you've already entered, you would have to like click on the open position by right clicking and then clicking on modify, and then you enter in the stop loss level and you also enter in the take profit level, or you can do that in form of pips. But this is a long way of doing this, but there's actually the fastest way you can actually apply stop loss and take profit levels, of which I'm going to show you in this video. So what you have to do is simply try to zoom in into your chart. So when you zoom in on the chart, look for the entry you just entered. So the entry I just entered is shown with a dotted line over here. So what you have to do is simply click on the entry. Okay, so when you click and hold and drag. So in this case I bought, so if I drag it down, that will be my stop loss. So the more I drag down, the more you can see how much I am going to lose if it goes south. Okay, so let's say you put a stop loss at this level. It means that I am risking of about $7. Okay, then I'm going to release it. So that's it. So this is my stop loss. You can as well view it by just hovering around it. So you can as well modify the stop loss to drag it below or up by just clicking and holding. So let me put it here. Okay, so how about the take profit? So it's actually the same. So in this case, click on the entry and simply drag it upwards. So if I leave it here, I'll be okay, my take profit will be about 1.96 US dollars. So this is it about today's video, which was about how you can apply stop loss and take profit as fast as possible. So this is the fastest way. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For the link for this indicator will be in the description. Bye for now.